Hi everyone. We've got a few different events happening in the weather over the next few days. Tonight we've got a risk of a bit of black ice in central and eastern parts of the island. Now the risk is pretty low, but in the countryside we could see some ice forming where we get runoff from the fields. So we've got a blue weather advisory out for that. Also on Sunday we've got a yellow weather warning out. Now that's for some very strong winds that will be pushing through during the morning. We'll start off here first. This is the low pressure that's been bringing the colder weather for the last 24 hours, and it's moving its way slowly eastwards. And we've got this ridge of high pressure now moving up across us. And you can see the winds. Well, it's been quite windy today, but as we head into tomorrow, these colours turn yellow, green, then blue, and that's showing that the winds are going to be really quite light, especially by tomorrow afternoon and into the evening. But you can also see here we've got some cloud approaching, and that's from this new frontal system coming in from this low pressure. We'll flip straight back over to the winds again, so you can see this is tomorrow evening, this is 6 p.m. and as we head through into tomorrow night and into Sunday morning, we've got these really deep colours here, which is showing some very strong winds. And those winds are going to be coming in mostly from the west. But then we've got something else happening, which is this little low pressure here. Now, it's very mixed. It's a very mixed sort of output at the moment. There's different computer models that are suggesting different things. But this little low it's got some quite cold air wrapped around it. Now, it's got a lot of rainfall wrapped around it as well. And this is at 9 am, and over our area by this time we should have strong east and northeasterly winds. But what else is coming with it is this precipitation could be turning potentially to snow in a few places, mostly out to the west of the island, or potentially just over the hills. But you know, we may see a little bit fall into lower levels, but there's a lot of differences between each computer model, so we will let you know more as the time comes. But yes, there's a bit of potential, something interesting happening there. So anyway, tonight, mostly fine night, some patchy cloud. There's been the odd light wintry shower throughout today, and there could still be the odd one tonight here and there, which will be of snow. But you know, it's really hit and miss, and they're very, very, very well scattered, and most of them die out before they reach the island. The winds will be strong, gradually dropping down to fresh through the night. The temperatures will fall away to 1 to 2 degrees Celsius generally, perhaps as low as 0, maybe -1 in a few pockets in the southeast here. This is where the risk of the black ice is. Out here to the northwest, we've got temperatures closer to around 3, and also along the north coast here as well. As we head into tomorrow morning, not a bad start to the day, some good sunny spells, maybe a bit of patchy cloud here and there, but it's going to be quite a nice start to the day really. The winds will be fresh and decreasing to moderate as the morning goes on. As we head into the afternoon, cloud starts to push in from the west. We start to see a mixture of high thin cloud, which will make the sun hazy, and then later on we're expecting to see some more general mid and lower level clouds starting to push in. That's later on in the afternoon. So what will start off as a beautiful day, the cloud will increase, but the winds will be decreasing as the day goes on, and gradually backing around to the west, and they will be moderate, decreasing to light. The temperatures could possibly reach as high as 5 out here in the west, maybe even 6 down here in the southwest, closer to 4 generally across the island, and the odd sheltered pocket may only rise as high as 3. So anyway, that's all for the moment. We'll let you know a lot more as the time gets on about this situation. We'll let you know more tomorrow, and also we'll give you more updates on Sunday. Anyway, that's all for the moment. Goodbye.